And welcome back to another video. And in this video we are going to talk about overthinking. If I really have to define the overthinking in a one sentence, then probably I will going to define it as it is a kind of activity in which we are going to think about like every possible like negative outcome, and we are going to assume that it is like reality or it is a truth. And I don't really know whether this thing is going to make sense or not, but yeah, this is the thing that came in my mind while hearing the word overthinking. And the top of that, if you are a girl or if you are a guy who don't go out that much, and because of the lockdown, like we are bound to stay in the same place. Second month of the lockdown has been really dark for me, so that is one of the main reason that I am like making this video. And I hope like this thing really make a kind of sense to you, or the things that I'm saying or the experience that I'm sharing might be relatable to any other person who like suffer from the same thing as well. And I know it might sound evil, but I really think, okay, that is just my again personal opinion, but I really think we all should go this kind of phases from time to time, because this is when like we are going to learn more about ourselves. I can say like it is one of the best teacher if we are like ready to learn, okay. And by getting into that cycle of overthinking, okay, one of the thing that I have learned is like, okay, just stop or just try to stop being perfect. That is one of the most important thing that I have learned. Actually the thing is, actually I'm new to this English thing, okay, and I'm making a lot of mistakes that I am like really conscious of, and I do know I'm making a lot of mistakes, but still now what it is going to do is like it will going to shift the perspective, okay. Even though I really love to making these videos, okay, even though I really love to like sharing the perspective and sharing the experience of mine to others, that is one of the thing that I really love to do. But now if I really want to be perfect in English language, because at this moment I am communicating in the English, and because of that it will require for me to have some kind of grasp upon the English language as well. But from the next time, if I'm going to sit and try to make the another video, then the perspective is not going to be, okay, I have to make the video, I have to like share my opinions. That is not going to be in my mind anymore. So the only thing that is going to came in my mind is, okay, what if I'm going to make some grammatical mistakes again, what if I'm going to get out of the flow. So those are the things that are going to continuously going around on my mind, okay. So this is kind of, I can say, the cycle, or this is a kind of pattern that is going to be formed if I really go deep inside the like overthinking. And taking back the same example, okay, if I'm really going to think about what could possibly go wrong, or what it is going to happen if I'm going to make another mistakes, and if I'm really going to give those things my attention, then like it will really going to hard for me to take actions, because like now I am kind of fearing about those things, or I'm like fearing of the mistakes, okay. So this will be really hard for me to take actions, and if I'm not going to take actions, then how am I going to improve? That is the one of the thing, okay. If I really want to improve myself, then I have to take the actions, even though if I'm like making the mistake. There are three of the things that really helped me to get out from this cycle, okay. First is the affirmations. Second is like just get busy, okay. Just try to do anything. It can be like sport, it can be playing the music, it can be singing song. Just make yourself busy. Don't just sit there like thinking about the problem, or thinking about like I have to stop the overthink. And if you are really going to sit there and try to control the thought, then probably that will not going to help you, because like thought is something that is going to come and go, but eventually we have to like learn how we are going to react to some of the thoughts, okay. And the third one is like being present help you a lot, okay. There are two of the exercises that really helped me to be present: meditations and yoga. And I have already made the video on meditations, but